Today we are going to learn how to recognize money. We are going to match each banknote to its value. So I'm going to start with this. This is 100 ringgit note. I'm going to match it to RM 100. The same goes for this. Now for the next one, we have 20 ringgit note, and I'm going to match this to RM 20. The same goes for this. Now for the last note, which is 50 ringgit note, I'm going to match this note to RM 50. The same goes for this. Now we are going to match the money with the color. 100 ringgit note is purple. 20 ringgit note is orange. And 50 ringgit note is green blue. So now we are going to write the value of the money. We have 10 ringgit note, 5 ringgit note, 1 ringgit note, and another 1 ringgit note. We are going to add up all the notes to find the value of the money. Okay, so we have 10, 15, 16, 17. So in total we have 17 ringgit. We can write this as RM 17. So we are going to do the same. We are going to add up all the banknotes. 50 plus 10, we have 60. 60 plus 5, we have 65. 65 plus 1, we have 66. We can write that down as RM 66. Now what about the cent? Right, we have 20 cent plus 20 cent, we have 40 cent. 40 cent plus 10 cent, we have 50 cent. 50 cent plus another 5 cent, we have 55 cent. So in total we have 66 ringgit and 55 cent. Since we're adding up all the banknotes and coins, we can also write this as RM50 plus RM10 plus RM5 plus RM1 plus RM0.2 RM 0.20, another RM 0.20, plus another RM 0.10, and for this RM 0.05. If you add up all the banknotes and all the coins, what we get is still RM 66.55. Or 66 ringgit and 55 cents. Okay, let's say we have an abacus and we are going to write the value of the money. So notice that there is actually a dot here. This dot separates ringgit and cent. Okay, so you can write the dot here. Okay, it separates the ringgit and cent. Now, let's start with the cent, okay? We need to count how many beads are there touching the horizontal line. We notice that there are no beads, right? We can write this as 0. Okay. What about this part here? We have one bead from the top touching the horizontal line. So this bead here counts as 5, right? It counts as 5. Each bead at the bottom which touches the horizontal line count as 1. So each bead here counts as 1. So we have 1 here and we have another 1 here. So when we add up all the value, we have 5 plus 1 plus 1. We have 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we have 7. We can write it here. Now we are done with the cent. The cent part is here. Now we are going to find out the value for the ringgit part. Okay, so if you look at this, we have, how many beads do we have? We have 4 beads, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And as I said before, each bead here represents 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. We have a value of 4. So we write it down, 4. Now what about this part here? We have a bead coming from the top to the horizontal line. We have a bead here. This bead is counted as 5, right? So we write down 5, right? So from here we can see that the value is actually 54 ringgit and 70 cents.